Hello. So in today's video, it's been about a month since I used wet and forget on my roof, so I want to give you an update as I promised. So this area right here, and I'm also gonna show you the pictures, looks starting to get a little bit lighter. So originally I did it, I think, on January 23rd. Today I think is 26th of February. Like I said before on my previous video, this area right here I just used the brush just to see the difference, how it will work. This area, I think 6 rows, I sprayed with wet and forget the concentrate. So I think it's starting to look a little bit lighter, and I also spray a little area here. Again, this area right here also I clean just with the brush, use regular water. This area right here is kind of most dirty. This is kind of okay. So not a huge difference after a month, although I can start seeing there's a little bit less dirt, and all basically happened is just I left it on, and we had a rain, I don't know, a couple of times within the last month, and I also used a little hose. So comparing this area to this area right here, there's adjustment to it. I can see this area. Let me just go and cross over. This area looks a little bit more dirty. There's this area over here. So I'm hoping this actually is working. It, just like the manufacturer said, it takes probably 2 to 3 months to really clean it. And I don't know if you can see it, but there is one row that I just brushed off with just the brush and clean water. That's why it looks cleaner. Other than that, I'm kind of still not seeing huge difference. I'm also thinking that wet and forget is probably created from moss and algae. I'm not really sure if this is algae or it's just the dirt. We have airplanes flying every single day, so this might be related to more of the dirt coming from the airplanes and having just dirty roofs from that. Again, I see, I would say 20% improvement. In my next video, actually, I received from the wet and forget 2 bottles of that high reach concentrate. I think what I'm gonna do, I don't like to wait. I'm probably gonna go on the other side of my roof and do that part, leave it on, and see how it's going to work. Or maybe I'm just gonna do half of this with the spraying foam and leave this on just to see side-by-side comparison. Maybe I'm just gonna do that. I think today is gonna be good weather. So this is concentrate, and now I'm going to create a new video with that far-reaching concentrate that you attach to the regular hose, and see how that's going to work. And this way we're gonna see half of the roof with one product and the other half with the other one. So give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, and I'll give you more updates pretty soon. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.